The first palletizing cell install went extremely smooth. It was up and running inside of a week, and we received enough training inside that week that we felt fully confident once they left and the palletizer was fully functional.
I do know that the robotic coach was enormous because Dennis is very particular. He's also our director of IT, so it was very important to him that he was able to do it. Dennis has also stayed in touch, so we've got some of the first applications that Robotique was able to push out, like the double case pick. We put that in quite quickly because Dennis was comfortable that he would know how to do with the software, and that's all because of the quality of the coach able to show Dennis exactly how to do it.
Their input to details about the robot, the operations of the robot, was very helpful for us as far as a training aspect goes.
Having David there to tell us like, hey, this is what the crate looks like when it comes in. Here are the bolts you need to unscrew to make sure you have easy access. Here's put this block under the 7th axis and lift it up this way. Having those steps outlined right away made the next few installs just super smooth.